sa meditation, kasama na yung breathing. Importante yung magkaroon ng social life. Yung nakakalabas ka, yung namimit yung kaibigan mo, tumatawa ka once a week, connection, di ba?
Kasi yan daw ang tinanggal Coach Joey ng social media nowadays. Ang connection ngayon ng tao, virtual na lang. Wala na yung personal connection. Happiness is medicine, connection is medicine, friendship is medicine. Diba?
Sa pag-exercise. Kung alam yung stress kayo, huwag nyo nang dagdagan pa yung stress nyo.
Actually, exercise is a good stress management tool. Pero it depends on the exercise. Exercise is also a form of stress. It's a physical stress. You're activating catabolism, diba? Breaking the muscle, taas ng cortisol din. Pero kailangan, nakaka-recover. So, remember, ang objective is to survive. So, yung maglagay ka ng stress, exact amount na kaya mong survive. Kailangan matuto kayo ng different ways to manage stress. Number one tool for me is exercise and meditation. Major tool din yung sinabi ni Coach Joey yung kanina, yung social, yung be connected to other people.